Hey babes, it's Amorie and welcome back to my channel. So today I will be sharing with you how I do my everyday makeup routine. But before we get into that, if you are new to my channel, please go down below and hit that subscribe button. Also, hit that notification bell so that you never miss a new upload from me. Lastly, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. It really helps me out. Now without further ado, let's get right into this video. So I love to go in with a freshly washed and moisturized face. Then I like to take my primer, which is the Milk Hydro Grip Primer, and just use this to prime all over my face. Then I like to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Ebony and just fill in all those sparse areas that I have on my eyebrows. If you would like for me to do a more in-depth eyebrow routine, just let me know and then I'll have that video right up for you guys. Then I just like to go in with a Q-tip and basically clean up around my eyebrows because I don't want to have to go in with concealer. To keep my brows in place, I love using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze Gel. This thing is amazing. Next, I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty Concealer, and this is in the shade 450. This matches my skin tone perfectly, so I'm just applying it to all the areas that I feel like I need to conceal. Then I'm just going to set everything with my Fenty Beauty powder, and this is in the shade Nutmeg. To finish everything off, I'm going to go in with my Cover FX Mattifying Setting Spray. For my lashes, I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara, and this is waterproof, and it's in the shade Blackest Black. If you guys know, I usually straighten my lashes, but this time I didn't do this. I'm looking to go for the more natural look when it comes to my lashes, so I'm just letting it curl and do its thing. Now it is time for bronzer, and I am going in with my absolute favorite shade of all time, and it is the Fenty Beauty bronzer in the shade Mocha Mommy. If you are my skin tone, you need to get your hands on this. I promise you, you will be looking so sun-kissed. I also like to use this bronzer to do like a little bit of contouring because it gives my face like a little bit more definition that I really love. And then I also love to use this on my eyelids, you know, in like the crease area. This bronzer is just for everything. I love it. Get your hands on it. I then like to go in again and set my face one last time with the FX Mattifying Setting Spray. I have very oily skin, so I have to set my face a lot. Lastly, I like to go in with my Laneige Lip Treatment Balm, and I just love how natural it looks. So that is it for my everyday makeup routine. I really hope you guys liked it. I try and stick with a very natural face. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. I hope you all liked it and that you learned something new. Please don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. And I will see you in my next one. Bye, babes.